Dear past pupils of Don Bosco Technical School, I am Father Saji Stephen, Director of the institution. This year, we are celebrating the centenary year of Don Bosco Technical School. And indeed, I am really happy to announce the upcoming meeting of the past pupils on 12th August, that is coming Saturday at 10 a.m. at Don Bosco Technical School. We will be indeed happy to have all of you. This will be for the batches from 1990 to 2009. It will be a time to meet old friends, share the wonderful time that we had, and to reunite and to energize. I am sure it is going to be a wonderful time for all of us. Don Bosco past pupils have contributed a lot to making the institution what it is today. And so you'll be able to see the changes that have taken place. And we share a wonderful history. It will be a wonderful time to come together and share this history. For the event, the contact persons will be Mr. Jesperly and Mr. Khot. The phone number of Mr. Jesperly is 986-220-4895. I repeat, 986-220-4895. And that of Mr. Khot, 873-109-3489. 873-109-3489. Please do intimate us if you will be coming for the program. We will be happy to see you. God bless you and long live Don Bosco.